Hunan Chuangrui Machinery officially settled in Xianian, Hunan in 2015. With a factory area of 15,000 square meters. The company has a professional technical team of over 100 people and sophisticated advanced production equipment, focusing on excavator remanufacturing. Our products feature stable performance, high efficiency, energy saving, and excellent cost performance, meeting various engineering needs. They are exported to many countries in the Middle East, Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia, winning high recognition and trust from customers at home and abroad.